Welcome to the grammar classes. Children, in last slides, we learned about the kinds of nouns, right? What is a noun? How many kinds of nouns are there? Now let us learn noun case. Noun case is very important to understand the sentences better. The relationship between noun and remaining part of the sentence. Yes, noun or subject that occupies the main part of the sentence and how it relates. Each relation of noun with the remaining part of the sentence is a case. Okay. Now let me explain you how many kinds of noun cases are there. There are 6 kinds of noun cases. The case of a noun or pronoun shows the relationship of a noun or pronoun to some other word or words in sentence. There are 6 cases in English language. First one, the nominative case. Second, the objective case. Third, the possessive case. Fourth, the dative case. Fifth, the vocative case. Sixth, the case in apposition. Yeah, let me explain you with regard to each case. Fine. Uh, each case is quite very particular about the relationship between the noun or pronoun and rest of the words and also sentence. The nominative case, noun or pronoun. Subject, the nominative case. Okay, let me see. See, normally in nominative case, it gives you the answer for who. Okay, Shankar built a house. Who built a house? Shankar. So, it is nominating that person. Fine. Gopal bought a bicycle. Who bought a bicycle? Gopal. Hari saw Mohan in the street. Whom did Hari see? Hari saw Mohan in the street. Fine. The objective case. Now, subject or nominative means name. Object means connected with the subject about which that noun is speaking or connected with. Noun or pronoun, direct object, the objective case. Noun or pronoun, object of a preposition, the objective case. See, Shankar built a house. This gives the answer for what? Okay. Where? This kind of questions. Shankar built a house. What did Shankar build? Shankar built a house. A house becomes the objective case. Object. Gopal bought a bicycle. What did Gopal bring? Bicycle. Then Hari saw Mohan in the street. Yeah. Here we have two objects. Whom did Hari see? Hari saw Mohan. Where did he see? In the street. So here we have two objects. One is Mohan and other is place in the street. Fine. Now the possessive case. Noun, ownership or possession. See, possessive means which belongs to. Always remember possession. In case if you have a cycle, this cycle belongs to me. That means that cycle is your possession, right? If I ask to whom the cycle belongs to, it belongs to Shankar. Means this is Shankar's cycle. See, I am giving the possession to Shankar. Shankar's apostrophe S. That is possessive case. Always remember, when we give apostrophe to the noun, it becomes possessive case of noun. The possessive case example, I went to Shankar's house. To whom's house did you go? Okay, to whose house? Shankar's. Then, this is Gopal's bicycle. Whose bicycle is this? Gopal's. Fine? Apostrophe S. This speaks about the possessive case. Then, dative case. Noun or pronoun, indirect object, the dative case. Example, I gave Sita a present. Here, noun or pronoun, indirect object. Who gave to whom? That becomes indirective. Indirect object. I gave Sita. To whom did you give? To Sita. So, Sita is indirect object here. A present is direct object. Always remember, I gave a present. That is, see, a present becomes the direct object. Now, to whom did you give? Sita. So, that is indirect object. That is dative case. Sudhir sent a book. Sudhir sent me a book. Okay, that me is indirect object. So, that is in dative case. Mahesh bought his son a watch. Mahesh bought a watch. Direct object is a watch. Now, his son is indirect object and that speaks about the dative case. Dative case, indirect object. Fine. Next. The vocative case. A person or thing addressed. The vocative case. Come here, Tom. Come here is normal addressing. Who is called here? Tom is called. O death, where is thy sting? Means, O death, where am I tied to? We are remembering the death. Completely third person. Fine. O death, still we are connecting. The vocative case is addressing. Fine. Friends, let us form a new democratic party. Who are friends? Who are vocative, to whom we are addressing. Students, write your notes. So, who is here vocative? You people, students. Fine. Then, the case in apposition. Apposition is nothing but the qualities explained about that noun immediately after noun. Okay. A noun or pronoun to describe another noun or pronoun, the case is in apposition. Example, Gauri, the dancer, drank some water. Fine. Who is Gauri? Immediately comma, the dancer. See, there is one description about that Gauri. Ravi, my neighbor is a good person. Who is Ravi? My neighbor. Okay. Ravi, my neighbor, is a good person. Fine. Now, Samarth, my student. Who is my student? Samarth. Who is Samarth? My student. This explanation immediately after the noun is called as apposition. Understood? Now, I have explained you all 6 cases. You have to do the work which is given after this class. So, in next class, again we will be learning the further fragments of the grammar very clearly. Children, at the end of this today's class, let me tell you one thing. This year, we are learning structural grammar. All these years, you were learning basic grammar. In beginning, it is little difficult to understand. But listen very carefully the classes which are sent to you. More than understanding, first learn listening. That will help you to understand better. Thank you.